like Weaver's like She nods. I like liken it to a sumo wrestler and a karate kid or something. I think she's gonna go again. See how the beards go black as well.
Oh yeah. Brilliant. People think, oh, why would you want dragons? It's boring and out of this. Oh, these folks are fucking awesome, man.
Oh, she's gone under the sofa.
She's there now. I worry about Weaver though, that